क्या क्या? What all? What all? कितने समय तक? For how long? For how long? हमेशा के लिए? Forever? Forever? आधे से ज़्यादा? More than half? More than half? नहीं तो क्या? Or what? Or what? उसे नीचे रखो. Put that down. Put that down. सीधे चलते रहो. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. यह किस बारे में है? What's this about? What's this about? ऐसा कौन करता है? Who does that? Who does that? एक और ले लो. Take another. Take another. बिल्कुल नहीं. No way. No way. फिर भी. Even so. Even so. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. फिलहाल. For now. For now. उसके बाद. After that. After that. जल्दी करो. Do it soon. Do it soon. मेरे पास रहो. Stay close to me. Stay close to me. एक रास्ता है. There is a way. There is a way. फिर क्या? Then what? Then what? अपनी आंखें बंद रखो. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed. मैंने अपना मन बदल लिया. I changed my mind. I changed my mind. तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मैं बस इतना ही जानता हूँ. That's all I know. That's all I know. क्या कोई समस्या है? Is there a problem? Is there a problem? ज़्यादा समय नहीं लगेगा. It won't take long. It won't take long. शायद किसी दिन. Maybe someday. Maybe someday. बस ऐसा ही कुछ. Something like that. Something like that. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? यह फिर से नहीं होगा. It won't happen again. It won't happen again. सीधे वापस आओ. Come straight back. Come straight back. यह फिर से हुआ. It happened again. It happened again. कोई नहीं जानता. No one knows. No one knows. यह कितनी दूर है? How far away is it? How far away is it? तुमने मुझे सच में डरा दिया. You really scared me. You really scared me. मैं यह अकेले करूँगा. I will do it alone. I will do it alone. मैंने अपना वादा निभाया. I kept my promise. I kept my promise. आपने सही फैसला लिया. You made the right choice. You made the right choice. ज़्यादा समय नहीं है. There isn't much time. There isn't much time. यह आसान नहीं था. That was not easy. That was not easy. हम कहाँ से शुरू करें? Where do we start? Where do we start? हम उसे कैसे ढूंढेंगे? How do we find her? How do we find her? वो ही एक तरीका है. That's the only way. That's the only way. तुम्हारा क्या सुझाव है? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? तुम कैसे भूल सकते हो? How could you forget? How could you forget? तुम्हारी जिंदगी खतरे में है. Your life is in danger. Your life is in danger. तुम अब आज़ाद हो. You are free now. You are free now. यह सब ठीक हो जाएगा. It's all be okay. It's all be okay. मुझे सब कुछ बताओ. Tell me everything. Tell me everything. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो गए हो. You have become very rude. You have become very rude. तुम बहुत मोटी हो गई हो। You have become very fat. You have become very fat. तुम बहुत कामचोर हो गए हो। You have become very shirker. You have become very shirker. तुम बहुत मतलबी हो गए हो। You have become very selfish. You have become very selfish. मैंने यह जानबूझकर नहीं किया। I did not knowingly do it. I did not knowingly do it. उसने जानबूझकर मुझे पीटा। He knowingly beat me. He knowingly beat me. उसने मुझे जानबूझकर धक्का दिया। He knowingly pushed me. He knowingly pushed me. इसे मिटा दो। Rub it out. Rub it out. कहानी को पढ़कर सुनाओ। Read out the story. Read out the story. तुम्हें जमकर पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए। You should swat. You should swat. मैंने जो चाहा मुझे मिला। I got whatever I wanted. I got whatever I wanted. तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? तुम्हारी खासियत क्या है? What is your quality? What is your quality? वह खांस रहा है। He is coughing. He is coughing. वह खराटे मार रहा है। He is snoring. He is snoring. नया क्या है? What's new? What's new? सब कुछ कैसा है? How's everything? How's everything? मैं तुमसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ। I am asking you something. I am asking you something.